Welcome to our channel. If you want to permanently delete your Tubi TV account, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Understand that deleting your Tubi account is permanent and will remove all your saved favorites, watch history, and viewing preferences. This action cannot be undone. Step 2. Before deleting, consider whether you simply want to log out or stop using Tubi temporarily instead of permanently deleting your account. Step 3. Log into your Tubi TV account on the Tubi website using a web browser. Account deletion typically must be done through the website, not the mobile app. Step 4. Click on your profile icon or avatar in the top right corner of the screen to access your account menu. Step 5. Select Account Settings or My Profile from the drop-down menu to access your account management options. Step 6. Scroll down to find the Account Management section where options for closing or deleting your account are located. Step 7. Look for the Delete Account, Close Account, or similar option. Click on it to begin the account deletion process. Step 8. Tubi may ask you to confirm your identity by re-entering your password or verifying your email address for security purposes. Step 9. Review the consequences of deleting your account. Tubi will inform you about what data will be permanently removed and that this action cannot be reversed. Step 10. Confirm your decision to delete the account by clicking the Final Confirmation button. You may receive an email confirming that your Tubi account has been successfully deleted. Note that since Tubi is free, you can always create a new account in the future if you change your mind. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.